Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again to provide you a review of the latest smartwatch in the market. And what we have here, okay, it is now becoming popular. One of the most affordable Series 7 smartwatch in the market. What we have here is the T100 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, so say goodbye to the popular T500 Smartwatch, and here comes say hello to the T100 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, we already reviewed the one of the model in the Series 7 smartwatch. Okay, remember the iOS 7. Okay, so that is a bit expensive, almost twice the price of this T100 Plus smartwatch. So this one very affordable, and for those who are looking for a Series 7 smartwatch, okay, that is a budget friendly price, I guess the T100 Plus smartwatch is one of the wearables, okay, in your options or on your list. Okay, so let's check whether it is worth buying this one. Okay, the T100 Plus smartwatch. So let's have the unboxing of this wearable. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. So we have here the T100. Okay, so simple box. Okay, and one of the main feature of the T100 Plus smartwatch is the availability of the color options. Okay, so we have here, let's check. Okay, color variation here. So we have red, light green, black, purple, white, pink, blue, and dark green. I think what we have here is the blue color. Okay, so let's have the unboxing. Let's open it. Okay, before we pick the red color, but it is not available. Okay, so the seller, okay, notified us that we have to change the color, so we pick the blue color. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so the contents are, we have the user manual. Okay, so very small information here, of text, so I can see it. Okay, let's have a closer look. This is the QR code for the support app, HRY fine. Okay, so we have some features here, and we have here the Chinese language. Okay, so we have the smartwatch. Okay, this one, it's not magnetic, I think. Yes, there's a magnet, but I mean it's not a wireless charging feature here. As you can see here, we have a power connector, still USB. We have the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try to remove the cover here. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So it looks okay. So let's see, we have a zinc alloy body based on its specifications. We have here the speaker, I think, and we have here the button and the crown button here. So the pillow shaped button and the crown button. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, it looks okay. Let me see, let's compare it with our Series 7 here. Okay, we have here the Series 7, the iOS 7, a much premium version of the smartwatch. Where is that? I think it's missing. It's not here. Okay, let me get it for you. Okay, I'll check and get it. Okay, so we got our Series 7 here, the iOS 7. Okay, look at the difference between the two. So this one, okay, so this one is much thicker and heavier, okay, but still they almost have the same design. It is patterned or copied from the upcoming Series 7, okay, by Apple, I think. Okay, so this one, it has a much bigger crown button, much thicker body. It looks more premium, but still it almost have the same, okay, design. Okay, so we'll see in the display. So this one, it has a very minimal or slim bezel, while this one, let's see if we do have the slim bezel for the T100 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, for the specifications here, let's check. Okay, we have a zinc alloy body here. We have heart rate monitoring. Okay, the main chip here is the SYD8810 plus FR3029. We have 1.75 inch screen size IPS with a 320 by 385 pixel resolution. We also have heart rate monitoring. I think it also included a blood pressure and what else? Heart rate monitoring. Okay, so let's see. So far it looks good. We have here the sporty strap, very flexible, soft. Okay, beautiful color. I think the finish here is brush finish. Okay, the little bit of the glossy, okay, look. So we have here the 1.75 inch display. Let's see if there's still a power loaded to the smartwatch. Okay, seems like we don't have. Okay, it is depleted. No more. But so far, we have here the T100 Plus Smartwatch. Very light. Okay, compared to the iOS 7. Okay, look at the design. Okay, much thicker. This one is much slimmer and lighter. Okay, anyway, from afar you will not know the difference. Okay, so I just don't like this one, the strap here. I think, okay, it's not really that tight compared to the iOS 7. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this T100 Plus Smartwatch, okay, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So we have here, okay, the sensor connector. Okay, so on our next video, okay, we're going to show you, okay, the UI and the menus of the T100 Plus Smartwatch. Again, this is your smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.